we'll rate ourselves very high. I'll rate myself 12 out of 10. Ne? But the people, the people are happy. Haven't you seen we are winning in sports? Have you not seen? The Springboks are winning. The cricket team is winning. We have the strongest men. We're even winning in sheep shearing. Here was Vernon Allison. We are a winning nation. I remember there was a time when they said we are a bunch of losers. Now we are a bunch of winners. You know, every day, and when you open your Facebook, we are winning. Because you have a Vavavu minister that helps inspire. Even Bafana's winning. You know, under 20, every day you know somebody's going to win. Yesterday there was a win. We had 2 South Africans winning the Comrades. Tete and Gerda Steyn. So we are a winning nation. You must be a witch not to see how we are winning or to acknowledge. You must be a witch because South Africa has never won like they're winning under this government of national unity.